Hello friends, in this video we are going to unbox one amazing thing. So we will open and we will see what we have in our parcel. So here we have, let's try to open. What we have here is, you can see 5 mm cubes and multicolor balls. You will see in a few moments what we have here inside. So here we have we're going to open. We will see what we have here. You can see wow, that's amazing. You can see magnetic cubes and magnetic balls. The balls, you can see, are colored, very beautiful color, and the cubes are silver. We have this box. It's a very good packing and very beautiful box. Bring out, you will see it's very beautiful. It's really beautiful. You can see the walls. It's amazing. In the next few videos you will see we'll go to make a lot of things, and you will see amazing videos and see this amazing thing. They are not going, see what they are doing. They don't want see they don't want it. I will separate them. You can see it's really beautiful, amazing. It's really very beautiful. These cubes are 5 mm. See, beautiful. So in next few videos you will see that I will show you beautiful things which we will make from these cubes and these balls. See the sound, I like this sound. You see this one, it's amazing. Now they won't separate. You see how fast they are going. It's beautiful. It's really very beautiful. See, in few seconds what we make. we make one wall. Okay friend, so be ready for amazing things what we will make with these beautiful things, magnetic balls and cubes. See you until next time. Bye bye.